On party people, we are back. But before we get into this nice little video, hit my intro.
It's summertime round 09. On the corner, real heavy nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
Alright, we are back. And as always, I'd like to welcome my party people with one great big aloha. Welcome my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Welcome to the channel. You already know what to do. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. Tell a family member, friend of a friend, so we can hit that 10K, right? 10K by Christmas. We're gonna push it up a little bit. Not Christmas, sorry. We're gonna push it up Thanksgiving so we can do our giveaway. And of course, I am Emoneyshoes. I'm your host, and I'm gonna be telling you about my latest pickup. Like I said, still got shoes coming in for February. February was brutal. Hope everybody was able to get their pairs. Like I said in a couple other my videos, this had to be the most or the craziest drops in February in shoe history that I can recall. It was brutal. They gave us a little break. Got the call today from Shoe Palace. Gonna pick up my Wolf Gray tomorrow. I did in a couple of raffles for the Laker 4s. I hope y'all like that did y'all footwork. I'm planning on getting the plug to get them shoes. Cause word on the street is, what's the word on the street? They're gonna be kind of limited for what I understand. So do what you gotta do, unless you don't mind paying up. Like I said, I need 2 pairs, not 1, but 2 pairs. So I'm gonna be on the lookout for that. Not too many shoes on my radar for this month. I'm gonna try to go after those off-white ones, Alaska, just because, just to trade. But sneakers don't love me that much to have those. But I'm gonna try anyway. Gonna have 2 pairs of the Lakers. What I've seen else on there, like I mentioned, may take a look at the Kobe, those Saint Marian school he went to, and you also have the Ja Murray State. Y'all seen them other videos, y'all know I'm heavy on those jaws. And then last but not least, to close out the month, gotta hit those UNC foam posits. Now my sources from GOAT saying there's gonna be a special Air Max dropping at the end of the month. I wonder what that can be. I don't know. I know they're notorious for doing Oregon Air Maxes, but who knows with that. So just never know. Be right back. Alright, we back up in this thing. Like I said, gotta get them UNC foam posits, and they may have a special Air Max because it's Air Max month. They're coming at the end of the month. I'm not sure about the big bubble Air Max 95. Sitting on the fence about those. I got a pair already. I hardly wear them, so I can use that money and energy toward something else. Now, with that being said, like I said, make sure you hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. Tell a family and friend of a friend. Also, go follow the home team, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF on YouTube and on IG, as well as you can follow us under Who Has the Heat on YouTube. You want to like sneaker battle, especially the sneaker battle, we got LeBron, we got regular traditional battle, we have call outs, we have tag matches, we have the battle royal. We're probably going to do one of those soon. So it's mostly shoe for shoe. So if you're interested in that, hit up the DM under Who Has the Heat, and it's always a great time. Now enough of that, let me stop running my big mouth and let's get into this cop. Now, I was on the fence, I wasn't gonna cop these, but I said, oh, what the heck, why not? You see this nice little blue box, size 10, which is yours truly. Got these for Undefeated for $230. Official colorway, denim, black, gem red, Air Jordan 3, RTR, LSC, BLK, SP, Special Project, ABC 1, 2, 3. Bang! Blue box. Pop the top. Got my receiving seat. Got a nice little blue Got a, is that a sticker? Something in here. I don't know, the BBC or whatever, but you see that? And you got your nice little Levi paper. Look at that. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oh, got these sandwiches. God done it. Them and them sandwiches. I tell you the truth. I don't know about that. Let me take that out there. Let me do this here. Another little sandwich, a little Subway sandwich. And in here you got this. This is pretty good, nice presentation. And then in there, you got your little green sticker Ricka. So you know you got some legit pairs. But then again, they still could be fake, who knows. But we ain't doing that on here. And here we go. Boom, boom. These actually kind of look like the Air Jordan 3 black cement. But then when you get up close, they're not. And you see, you come with these extra laces. You get the red and the white. And since y'all already know red is my favorite color, you already know what time it is, right? Gonna put the red laces in. And you also have your Nike Levi hang tag on here. Like the four just had that little regular Levi thing, which is pretty dope. But you see it right there. Let me get close. Let me get close. Spin it around. Spin it around, right? As always, Jordan 3, 4, 5, 6. Got your Air unit, right? Got your Air unit. Let me get the smell. Let me see what the smell looks like. Oh, not bad, not bad. You got your little stuffings inside here. So you already know that. Underneath the bottom, you got your traditional Jordan 3 traction underneath the bottom. Oh, this leather is soft. So soft. And then with your traditional elephant print, you get your Levi Denim, right? Got your denim coming around, and you kind of got this sail midsole with your Air unit. The Air unit is sail or white. In the back, you got that Nike Air on the ass. Nike Air on the ass. Let me tell you, got some nice, the paint looks good, and sometimes the paint you can see the strokes in it, but it is nice and smooth. Inside, you don't have no label or anything, it's just regular all black. And then you got your Nike Air inside like so. And oh man, I mean, these panels are soft, soft, soft. Then you got your red Jumpman on the tongue, right? And on the other pair, oh, that's interesting. So one side, no more Levi, and the other side has a Levi. Interesting. This side, the right side has the little Levi patch, all right, was very good. And I thought I saw a peak, but there can't be no peak. It's just from the materials and how they are. So very, very glad and happy to have these in the collection. Can't complain about it. Now, as always, as I like to do, I always like to take a look at it and you can go through the size. So just for the price, $230, about $5 more than I'm willing to pay. So I'll give it about a 4.85 out of 5. So not too bad, not too bad. Then you want to talk about comfort. Not the greatest. So I give it about a 4.6 out of 5. Now overall, for the structure of the shoe, the price, everything, comfort, I give it roughly 4.9 out of 5. You right? You happy with that? That's right. Give me a round of applause, right? 4.9 out of 5, all right? So you guys let me know, did you cop these? Did you pass? If you copped them, which one is the best you like out of the set? Do you like the black pair? Do you like the blue pair? Do you like the white and blue pair? Or do you like the Year of the Horse, which is like the all white with red? Because look, I'm gonna get kind of dirty. I'm still not sure about that. I probably be too, because I'm like always at OCD and stuff like that. I need to get the set. I rarely cop shoes and don't get the whole set. Man, I need intervention. I swear, I swear, I swear. But let's get back on topic. So like I said, yes, these are very, very dope shoe. You see this come with that little tag on there as well. They starting to do that, let you know that the shoe might change and die and all of that different stuff for your shoe. So other than that, that's all I have for my party people. Thanks for all the love and respect. Until the next one, we out. Peace.
Music.